Good afternoon. Today's news is brought to you by Being Responsible. News and Current Affairs, 24 March 2021. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir blueprint ready for development of schools, expect to get 3,000 crore rupees under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. A roadmap has been prepared for the development of schools in FY 2021 to 2022. In this, a detailed budget plan has been made for the basic development of the school and the facilities to be provided to the children. Jammu and Kashmir will be empowered with health and wellness centers. Ayush dispensaries are being expanded and converted into health and wellness centers. In this, modern facilities will be provided to the people by connecting them with Ayush medical system. In addition, the herbal garden will be expanded. People will be provided with health cards along with health screening. All this process is being done digitally. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha dedicated the public by inaugurating 73 Ayush Health and Wellness Centers in Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday. Shimla. The work of installing digital X-ray machine in Kamla Nehru Hospital is going on in full swing. Punjab. Dr. Diksha Sankhyan conducted research under the direction of Dr. J.S. Sehrawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Anthropology. Dr. Diksha scientifically examined 720 teeth for 3 years. People from Chandigarh, Punjab, Himachal and Haryana have their teeth scanned. PCTHR formula adopted for the age check for older people. Where is the need to check age? When criminals are caught, they say they are short of age to defend themselves. In such a situation, the actual age of these people will be easily ascertained by this formula. Age can be ascertained in the age certificate through it. When getting pension etc., there is also an age check in it many times. If the age of the concerned is found more or less from the documents applied for the job, then it can be investigated with the help of this formula if there is any doubt. Dehradun. The Ministry of Defence has given the green signal to install Doppler radar in land zone army cantonment area of Uttarakhand. Rajya Sabha MP and BJP's national media head Anil Baluni was making constant efforts in this regard from the Ministry of Defence. Explained that information can be obtained from the Doppler weather radar about seasonal changes in the area up to 400 kilometers. This radar also catches extreme waves using the Doppler effect. This radar easily recognizes the direction when the extreme waves collide with any object and return. Due to the efforts of MP Baluni, Uttarakhand has recently got the gifts of 2 trains, Purnagiri Janshatabdi and Siddhabali Express. The Narayan Koti temple located at Guptakashi in Rudraprayag district in Uttarakhand has been included in the Heritage Adoption Project of the Union Ministry of Tourism. Under the project, the Social Legal Research and Education Foundation SLRE Foundation will provide basic and necessary facilities in the temple premises. According to Secretary Tourism Dilip Javalkar, a memorandum of understanding will be signed with the foundation soon, which has been drafted. The foundation will do the work of road construction, path lighting, waste disposal, drinking water, parking, bench, entry, boundary, walls, etc. in an integrated manner. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Important current affairs. The Indian government has welcomed the initiative announced by Saudi Arabia to promote peace in Yemen. The government also assured that it supports all forms of efforts to find a political solution to the Yemen crisis. Indian Coast Guard ICG ship Vajra was commissioned on March 24, 2021 at Chennai by General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defence Staff. The vessel, indigenously designed and built by L&T, that is Larsen & Toubro Shipbuilding Limited in Chennai, is the sixth in series of 7 offshore patrol vessels. Justice N.V. Ramana is likely to take over as the 48th Chief Justice of India on April 24, 2021. Dr. V.K. Murthy, Indian American, was confirmed to be US President Joe Biden's new Surgeon General. Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde is scheduled to retire from the position on April 23, 2021. The Ministry of Defence on March 22, 2021 signed a deal with Mahindra Defence Systems Limited for the procurement of 1,300 light combat vehicles worth Rs 1056 crores for the Indian Army. Thank you, friends.